Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yesterday's video was a little longer, discussed in more depth this structure here, and did highlight to you that in this possible 1-2 setup, an Elliott Wave 1-2 setup with a 5-wave move to the upside, a 3-wave move to the downside might need one more low to be complete and full into our support area here. Because we could count a wave A, a wave B, and then within the C wave, 1, 2, 3, 4. That fourth wave finished here, and now a fifth wave down. With that wick, it touched the golden ratio, and you can see how relevant the fibs are. That always gives some confidence in this wave count, because if the chart respects the Fibonacci levels, then at least we have more certainty or confidence that the wave count is correct. That we have 5 waves up, 3 waves down, because the chart did respect the golden ratio. You can see a clear reaction, and here at 27,500. Did talk about that as long as 27,050 holds, I'm going to lean towards that a breakout is in play. Now, if we drop below 27,050, then we are just simply going to drop a little lower, and probably this yellow count is going to play out. So it's either the blue count, in my opinion. So in the blue count, we bottomed here on Monday, created 5 waves up in a wave 1, basically the first wave of an uptrending impulse here on the lower time frame. That would be the first wave of a larger third wave, because we bottomed here in a wave 2 on Monday. Then a 3-wave move down in a wave 2, and now a third of a third rally. That would be the basically on the lower time frame, the first count we look at here, the imminent one, because this is currently in the support area and holding for now. I think Ethereum now has also reached its support area. Would need to double check that, which is good. And the other count where we need a little bit of a deeper correction just assumes it's the same overlying count or underlying count. It's just that the correction takes a bit of a different shape. In the yellow count, we came down in an A wave on the 22nd of March. We moved up in a B wave, and the B wave itself has an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave, basically an expanded flat pattern. That's why it's not enough to wait for 5 waves up to confirm a trend change, because this could have simply just been the C wave of a larger B wave. We need to see 5 waves up and 3 waves down. And the 3 waves down are currently unfolding. If this goes down quite a bit more, and we're breaking below 27,050 and sustain there, then we have some clarity that is probably the yellow count which is in play. So that means either very shallow correction here, and the train will leave the station to 35k plus from here, or from 27,050, but it could be complete now, this move down. And if we break below 27,050, we just have a deeper correction here in a C wave of 2, A, B, C, and we reset that yellow wave 2 a little bit lower in our orange support area, 24,940 to 26,270. So how is it possible to put the yellow C wave count in here? Yes, but it looks very corrective at the moment. I mean, you can always add a bearish count if someone's interested in understanding what would be the bearish count for the yellow wave C. So first of all, it would have to be a 5-wave move, the C wave. So we're looking at something like this, a wave 1 to the downside, probably a wave 2 to the upside. Then here, depending on how it's unfolding, because it could be a diagonal, this might have finished a third, there could be a fourth, and another fifth to the downside. Just to give you some ideas, not terribly clear at this stage, but this is how it could unfold, because a C wave often unfolds as a diagonal pattern, so you can have some overlaps. You have ABC structures in these subwaves, but eventually what is important is the or important are the Fibonacci support levels. So even though we've seen a reaction here from the golden ratio, Bitcoin doesn't yet make the impression that it is rallying impulsively. So it needs a bit of patience to wait and see. But I mean, it could be an interesting day. I mean, I thought about this earlier today and thought, okay, so weekend coming up, right? We always want to see a fourth wave on the weekend. So what could happen, just a bit of speculation. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying we always want to see a fourth wave on the weekend, but reality is that typically on a Saturday, as the last few weekends have shown, it's for some reason always a wave 4, because wave 4s are boring, right? So what if today, if we get a breakout today, and then, you know, we could do our third wave today and the fourth wave on Saturday, yeah, and then moving up further. But yeah, first of all, it needs to hold 27,050. And so far, it has come into the support area. It's done what it needs to do. It might squiggle down a bit more. And then we just need a reversal signal. At the moment, I don't have one yet. Yes, I've got a wick here. But what I need to see first now, as an indication that this small movement to the upside is, or this small movement to the downside is finished, I need to see a break above the wave 4 high. So that would be an initial move above 28,380. That's the very first indication that we get that this move down is finished. All right, that's my update about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.